Imagine entering a factory so advanced, you barely see any humans inside. No crowded assembly lines, no workers rushing around, just machines, building everything almost completely on their own. And somehow, factories like this already exist. Around the world, companies are building highly automated factories powered by robotics, artificial intelligence, advanced sensors, and machine learning systems. Some factories now operate with surprisingly small human teams, while robots handle most of the physical work. In some cases, humans are no longer the main workforce. They are just supervisors watching the system run itself. And honestly, watching these places feels less like a normal factory and more like stepping into the future. Inside these facilities, robotic systems can move materials, assemble products, transport inventory, inspect defects, and work continuously for long hours without stopping. Some automated factories even use AI systems that track efficiency in real time and instantly adjust operations to improve speed and reduce errors. And the most important difference is this. Unlike humans, machines don't get tired. They don't lose focus. They don't need breaks or rest cycles. And they can repeat the same task thousands of times with extreme precision. This is why industries like automotive manufacturing, electronics, and logistics are rapidly shifting toward automation. Because once a system becomes this efficient, it's hard to compete with it. But this technology is also creating massive debate. Because every new automated system reduces the need for human labor. Warehouses, car factories, electronics manufacturing, and even food production are becoming increasingly robotic. Some companies are already testing lights-out factories, where production runs 24/7 with minimal or no human presence on the floor. Only maintenance teams and engineers remain, and some experts believe that in the near future, factories may only require a small group of human supervisors, while AI systems and robots handle almost everything else. And honestly, that future may arrive much sooner than most people expect. The strange thing is, modern factories are already starting to look less human. Rows of robotic arms moving in perfect synchronization. Machines communicating instantly across systems. AI software analyzing production data every second. Some facilities can even operate in near darkness, because robots don't need lighting the same way humans do. Which means the factories of the future may become massive autonomous systems, running almost entirely on machine intelligence. And when you watch these places in motion, it no longer feels like manufacturing. It feels like watching a machine world operating by itself. The craziest part? This technology is still evolving, which means future factories may become even faster, more intelligent, and almost completely autonomous. And honestly, that could change not just industries, but the entire global workforce forever.